Hi guys, and welcome to Money Talks, where we talk all things side hustles, how to make money online, and just generally how you can gain financial freedom for yourself. In today's video, I want to share some easy to start online side hustles that you can start today and make money for yourself online. Most of the websites and companies that I'm actually going to suggest in this video are currently hiring worldwide. Not only that, but most of the jobs that are available on this video are easy to start, do not require any experience, and will just allow you to be able to create for yourself a second income stream and or just to find another way to make passive income online. And since so much work has gone into putting this video together, please do just reward me by hitting that like button if you haven't already, and also please do hit the subscribe button so that you can join the Money Talks community. Otherwise, without wasting any more of your time, let's get right into it. The first company that I'm going to suggest that you can use in order for you to create an online side hustle for yourself and make money online is called Playtest Cloud. Playtest Cloud is basically a games platform where numerous gamers from around the world create games that they put onto a platform like Playtest Cloud in order for you to actually test those games and therefore get paid for the work that you're actually going to put in. The landing page on their website talks a lot to the gamers. However, because we are interested in actually being testers of the games, we're just going to come onto this button here that says become a tester so that we can find out more how you can actually make money online on a platform like Playtest Cloud. Upon clicking the Become a Tester button, Playtest Cloud lands you on this page here where it obviously shows you somebody who is already looking like they are playing with games, testing them, etc. So this page is basically a sign up page that requires you to put in your email, your full name, the kind of games that you actually like to play weekly, etc. But in order for us to find out more about what they do, I just want us to come onto their common questions, which are basically FAQs, so that we can obviously get a better understanding explained by them as to how you can actually become a Playtest Cloud person. How do I become a playtester? First of all, you need to sign up above and then you'll get a short unpaid qualification test which will show you how to be a tester, and then you'll be able to play test. This qualification test is to determine your eligibility in joining the Playtest Cloud tester panel. When you become a part of the tester panel, you'll start receiving the real playtest that you're actually then going to start getting paid for. And if you're still wondering what Playtest Cloud is actually about, Playtest Cloud was created to help game developers learn more about what players think about their games and if there are any issues that need to be addressed. For you, it's a chance to make some money online on the side while helping to improve these mobile games that obviously the game developers would have already made and put up on a platform like Playtest Cloud. What devices do you need in order for you to be able to become a playtester? First of all, you can use an Android phone or an Android tablet, so long as it has Android 5 Lollipop or Beta, which most phones obviously by now already have. Secondly, you can actually use an iOS, which means an iPhone, so long as it's iOS 12 or 13. Supported devices can be an iPhone 5, a 6, a 6 Plus, basically iPhone 7, iPhone 8, iPhone X if you have those, iPhone 11. There's just so many options, and obviously all the other brands and or grades of iPhone that have actually come after the 11. So they have so many FAQs here. I'm just going to focus on the last one that we're going to read now, which says, how much money will I earn? The reward payment for each playtest can vary depending on the tasks required during the playtest and the length of the playtest itself. Playtest Cloud will always let you know how much the reward payment is in the invitation email when they send it to you. So you need to be somebody who's always checking your email once you've registered on their platform so that you don't miss out on any of the chances for you to actually be invited to test games. Do keep in mind though that the qualification test that you're going to take at the beginning when you're signing up is totally unpaid, and again, generally a 15-minute play test and survey will reward $9. But if you are ever unsure, please check the invitation email for the reward amount that is being promised. So if you're somebody who's looking for a side hustle that you can do in the comfort of your home and also just be able to do it on your phone anywhere from anywhere in the world, then Playtest is definitely one of the companies that you should check out. The next company that you can check out if you're looking for an easy to start online side hustle is this amazing company called CrowdSurf. CrowdSurf is a good fit for you if you actually enjoy writing and reading and you are looking to make a little extra cash on the side, or maybe you're a student who needs flexible work. Those are the people that they're actually looking for on a platform like CrowdSurf. We're just going to read about their 3-step process in order for you to be able to get started on CrowdSurf. The website says we are always hiring new transcribers to turn audio into text. So basically, this is a transcription platform that is willing to hire you to turn audio into text and therefore get paid. You get to work from home on your own schedule and at your own pace, which is why it is an easy side hustle for somebody who actually already has a full-time job. You're going to get paid per task, so the more you work, the more you earn. Start with basic transcription, then you earn promotions to higher paying tasks. And in order to get started on CrowdSurf, you just need to follow their 3 simple steps below on how you can actually join the platform. Number 1, you need to sign up on Work Market, which is basically a page that I'm actually going to take you through as we're continuing with this video. CrowdSurf uses Work Market to hire and pay all CrowdSurf freelancers. You'll join CrowdSurf via Work Market and you'll work with them on their private editing platform, the CrowdSurf Work Platform. It's as easy as that to get started. And then once you've signed up on Work Market, you then join the CrowdSurf community. The Work Market platform uses recruitment groups to connect you with employers offering freelance work. Once your Work Market account is set up, you'll then apply to join CrowdSurf as a new CrowdSurf transcriber, reviewing the guidelines and also take a brief assessment, obviously, so that you can join the CrowdSurf group. Taking an assessment is something that unfortunately you cannot run away from if you're somebody who's looking for a transcription job, because a lot of the websites that are offering transcription jobs will require you to take an assessment test before they can continue with your application. Then number 3, you can start crowdsurfing. Once you've passed the assessment, they will create a new account for you on the CrowdSurf Work platform. When your account is ready, they will then send you login instructions to your Work Market email in order for you to obviously be able to start working. So currently, there are 3 ways that you can actually join CrowdSurf. You can be doing it whether you're in the United States, or you can do it from Canada, or you can do it as an international, which is basically the one that I'm personally concerned about. We're just going to click this tab and see where it actually leads us. So this is the Work Market page that you actually land on when you're trying to join CrowdSurf. They say here you must be detail-oriented, speak, read, and write in English. You must be accurate in English spelling, punctuation, and grammar. You must be detailed at proofreading and editing, because obviously these are all the requirements that you'll need as somebody who will be required to transcribe audio into text. The main requirements for joining CrowdSurf is that you must have a PC or a MacBook. You must have internet connection, preferably Wi-Fi inside your own home, not phone data, guys. You must have basic typing skills, be detail-oriented, have great listening skills, because obviously you will need to hear what the people in the audio are actually saying in order for you to be able to translate it into text. So these here are actually the basic requirements that they need from you in order for you to be able to join CrowdSurf. And then they have extra requirements that they've listed here that will obviously put you in a better standing if you're somebody who wants to join CrowdSurf. For example, having familiarization with software tutorials is a plus, which means if you work on other transcription platforms, you are putting yourself in favor of being chosen to even work on CrowdSurf. Also, you obviously have to pass the transcription assessment, and then if you have a valid US or Canada ID, that also puts you in a good position. But as you guys saw, the tab that we actually clicked said international, which means they are also willing to hire you from anywhere in the world. But of course, they do give preference to people that are in the US as well as in Canada. Now we're going to read more about how much you can actually get paid on a platform like CrowdSurf. Pay depends on level of proficiency, obviously, as well as the amount of work that you're going to complete. Work ranges from 5 seconds to 30 seconds for each audio clip. Payment ranges between 0.03 all the way to 0.2 cents per media minute, plus additional bonus rates. So if you're somebody who is able to say maybe work for like an hour, I just want to multiply that 20 cents that we have right there so that you can see 0.2 times 60 minutes. You basically get paid about $12 per hour of you actually transcribing. So if you're interested in working with CrowdSurf to transcribe media, you can begin immediately by making your Work Market account as what we read earlier and reviewing their guidelines in order for you to be able to take a brief transcription assessment. So again, if you're somebody who is looking for an easy-to-start side hustle that you can do alongside your actual full-time job or your 9-to-5 job, then definitely check out CrowdSurf as one of the companies that are willing to hire you from anywhere in the world. The next company that you can check out if you're looking for an easy-to-start online side hustle that you can do from basically anywhere in the world is called ProductTube. So basically, ProductTube is a platform that is willing to pay you for you to take short videos while you're actually doing your shopping. ProductTube says turn the time spent shopping into additional dollars. They are currently available in 32 countries with over 1 million videos uploaded, and also you obviously get to earn while you actually shop. So I just want us to find out more about how you can actually make money on a company like ProductTube. So what is ProductTube? ProductTube is basically a premium video survey app that rewards its users for making short videos about everyday products. Users record short videos, typically less than 5 minutes, using their mobile phones. These videos are used for market research purposes to guide product manufacturers to meet consumer needs better. A few simple steps in order for you to get started on ProductTube. Number one, you need to sign up, download ProductTube on your mobile phone in order for you to get started. Secondly, you then get to record because the projects that you need to do in your area, in your country, in your region are actually going to show up on your mobile app that you would have downloaded. Number two, you need to record your videos. You will start receiving invites to participate. All you have to do is follow the instructions and record your video. Number three, then you upload these videos onto ProductTube directly from your phone using their iPhone and or their Android app. And then number four, of course, you receive awards within 5 business days via Amazon gift cards. So if you're somebody who's keen on shopping on Amazon, then ProductTube is definitely one of the platforms that you can actually check out in order for you to make some extra dollar online. What types of videos can you expect to be making on a platform like ProductTube? They have at-home videos, which is basically you'll need to create short videos from the comfort of your home, sharing how you shop online or you consume products. For example, like this cereal video here. Or you'll be required to do in-store videos. When you go to the store, you'll be required to record short videos sharing how you actually shop. And then number three, you'll need to create augmented reality. I feel like these are the ones that would actually relate more to somebody who is a real content creator, because you'll need to explore new product concepts using cutting-edge augmented reality technology. So obviously, you need to be somebody who has different apps on your phone in order for you to be able to get the work done. Luckily, on the website, they also do have some sample videos that you can actually check out when you come onto their platform. All you have to do to join ProductTube right now is for you to actually download the app, whether you're using an iPhone and or an Android. I personally did download the app and currently I have not received any projects, but I'm still hopeful because if this app was something that was not actually available in this side of the world, then they wouldn't even be allowing you to even download it. I know certain apps that when you go onto them, they're just going to immediately say not available in your region. But the fact that I was able to download ProductTube on my iPhone says to me that they are open to hiring people even in South Africa, which means they're open to hiring people from around the world outside just the US and or from Canada. But of course, you will need to be patient and allow yourself time in order for you to be able to actually secure yourself some gigs that you might have to do on ProductTube that relate to you getting paid just for you to shop. And with all that said, I've sadly come to the end of this video. I do hope you found this video valuable. If so, please don't be shy to hit the like button so that it can do well on YouTube's algorithm. And if you haven't already, please do hit the subscribe button so that you can join the Mali Talks community. And also make sure to keep your notification bell on for the channel so that you never miss out on any of the content that happens here on Mali Talks. Otherwise, as always, I wish you guys all the best in securing yourself an easy side hustle online that you can do from anywhere in the world. And I'm actually going to see you guys in the next Mali Talks video. Cheers.